As time rolls on, being a video producer and editor, developing skills and experiences with each project, you also want to improve video standards and quality. As part of my system and setup upgrade last year, I also got to grips with upgrading the sound of the corner of my living room studio, and I thought it'd be a great, insightful video to show you what's behind the camera. The workflow certainly improved with the inclusion of a third monitor, a Philips Ultra HD monitor 4K that I got for a great price. Also, an easy to apply setup backdrop behind me. But soundproofing was my key step to my home studio space that has made a significant change to the quality and the sound and depth of audio. So let me walk you through of how I created some cheap and easy to make soundproof panels. I purchased some soundproof tiles. These squares of contoured sponge are fit for purpose, but perhaps like me the idea of applying adhesive to the walls and the future difficulty of removing them did not resonate too well. I collected some large card from discarded boxes, checking to see that it was large enough to support 4 of these large tiles. In successfully checking this, a quick trip to Wilko's for some craft PVA glue. Covering a side of card in a generous amount and spreading out evenly using a household sponge. The fear of dropping the camera and getting it stuck was ever present, using one hand to coat the card. Then to arranging the soundproof tiles and pressing down to gain maximum adhesion. Repeating the process, creating a number of these panels. For the number I purchased, I created 6 of these lightweight large panels. They're just held up on my wall by simple tack pins. I found this method to be really successful as it means I can rearrange the layout of the panels and remove them entirely when needed. Join me next time when I take you more around the home studio setup we have, with some useful tips, tricks and studio hacks that may benefit you too. So come in soon, stay with us.